Welcome to the Reasons to Learn Data Science in 2023 video. In this video, I will talk about benefits of learning data science and I will give some advices for beginners. I'm recording beginner-friendly videos currently in my channel, but I will be making videos about advanced topics later on. We can start now. Data science is a big field which includes the roles data engineer, data analyst, data scientist, some of business analyst, machine learning engineer, deep learning engineer and artificial intelligence engineer. The things I am going to talk about will consider of the roles that I said. Data science is getting more popular in time because of its applications in real world. The most branding technology published was ChatGPT in the last months. That was an application of data science which is in natural language processing branch. Data science fastly getting its part in our lives in various fields like image recognition systems, robotics, banking, e-commerce, ad services and much more. Data is considered as new oil. One of the best things about data science is that you are never late. I have seen a lot of people in their 40s making career transitions to data science. In this video, I have listed good reasons to learn data science. Let's check the reasons to learn data science. Reasons to learn. High demand. Since it takes more space in our lives, data science demand constantly increases. Data-related job postings increase day by day. If you open a job finding platform such as LinkedIn or Indeed, you can see there is a lot of new job postings about data science. In the field of data science, there's various jobs from data analyst to deep learning engineer, and you can choose one of them which covers your interest. High demand is one of the best reasons. Limitless. If you look at the latest artificial intelligence developments and observe how artificial intelligence is today, we realize that it is not very possible to draw a limit for development. Data science is one of the rare professions that constantly renews itself and is shown as the profession of the future. As you start learning data science, you will realize that the things you can learn never ends and you will love to discover something new every day. The learning journey never ends in this field, which needs to be constantly updated. Learning materials. One of the best reasons to learn data science is that you have very easy access to the resources to learn it. There is unlimited resources in every platform, such as YouTube, Udemy and Coursera. I give courses about data science also on Udemy and I am leaving my links to my courses in every video's description. Whichever job you choose within data science, you will never have a problem with learning resources. Sometimes this can even be a problem. Trying to find the best resource can make you lose a lot of time. In general, data science is a field best learned through practice. The best thing you can do is start from somewhere and apply what you learn. Our next reason will be about the application. Applicable. Compared to many other fields, data science is a very applicable field. You can reinforce each program you learn by practicing. You can make projects with the programs you have learned and strengthen your resume. Doing competent projects will make your resume stand out. You can get real-world datasets from many sources on the internet and do good data science work with them. Multidisciplinary. One of the great reasons to learn data science is a multidisciplinary field. It combines fields like statistics, computer science, economics, and much more. If you check the job postings of data science, you can see that most of the jobs doesn't even care what major you studied, even a bachelor's degree. Data scientists comes from different backgrounds like economics, industrial engineering, electronics engineering, computer science, statistics, econometrics, and much more. Even if you studied not a quantitative major, it is not a problem. I saw a lot of data scientists who studied law in university. Remote working chance. This is one of the best reasons for working in the field of data science. Although it was before, working remotely has become even more popular with the pandemic. There is no need to add commuting time to work on top of working hours by evaluating the time you will reach the office in another way. Most data science jobs are either hybrid or remote. This is one of the advantages of being a data scientist. What are my advices? Don't delay starting. The worst thing you can do when starting to learn data science is to delay the start date. The best time to learn data science is right now. Procrastination will only demotivate you and pull you back. My first advice is going to be not delaying the starting. Practicing. Not being able to put what you have learned into practice only helps you forget about data science concepts. Data science consists of complex content and these must be applied practically. Practicing with what you have learned will not only help you consolidate what you have learned, it also helps you in creating projects. When you are looking for a data science job, your biggest assistant will be the projects you do, as you do not have experience in this field. Having a portfolio will put you far ahead of other candidates. Staying up to date. New technologies emerge in data science every day. The data science applications we use now may take a completely different turn in a few years. Regularly following data science innovations will provide you with many benefits. Following people who produce content about data science, reading on platforms such as Medium helps you stay up to date on data science. Checking job postings. This is one of the most important advice I want to give. Browsing job postings on employment platforms like Indeed and LinkedIn will help you guide a lot. Taking note of job requirements and working on the topics you see in job postings is another issue that will make you stand out in the sector. Finally, I would like to summarize. Data science is a rapidly developing field that has advantages in terms of job postings and has good revenues. 2023 is not a late year to start data science, and if you want to get started, you can start as soon as you close this video. Please note that on your data science journey, you will be confused a lot and you will encounter many errors. Thanks for watching my video. If you want to see more data science content and support me, you can subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.